What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Miami, and we are doing a shoe review today. I'm Brian,
I'm Audrey.
And we are excited. We just got this in, a very funny story. I ordered the wrong size on StockX. Thought I got the most amazing deal, but I'm gonna trade it in. This is the women's black toe satin. OG, very cool sneaker. What do you think? Should we get going? Let's rip this baby open.
Wow.
Boom.
Cute.
There we go. So this sneaker is, I think, really high quality. What do you think?
I like it. I think it reminds me of a lot of other sneakers with just a few minor adjustments.
Yeah, it's. I think first of all, if we start with the quality of the sneaker, quality is really good. If you look at the mud guard, really soft, nice black leather here. The toe box, this is really soft, nice and pebbled up. Nice and pebbled up. The tongue is pretty nice. Your standard tongue.
Yeah. I think this is a different feature here. This because normally it's printed into the shoe. Or no?
Right. Yeah. Normally it is, but because this is satin, they can't actually stamp it in. So it's like a little, I don't know, metal, plastic.
That's cute.
As you can see.
I like it.
It's actually not on the inside. That's strange, huh? It's only on the outside.
Is that strange? What's strange about that?
Well, I guess it's every sneaker. I never even thought about it.
Yeah.
Oh my God, what a fool. I guess I never even thought about it, but yeah, it's only on one side of the shoe. It's on the outside, the Air Jordan Wings logo, which is pretty iconic.
Yeah.
Of course, this has the standard Nike Air tag at the top in black. I believe this only comes with one pair of shoelaces.
I was gonna ask if it had any more laces or just the one pair.
Nah, it's just one, right? I mean, so if you want to like swap it out or do something a little bit, more colorful, like a red lace or even like a white lace, you have to go out and get your own.
I love it. I think it would be a good shoe to have in your collection for the right price. These aren't something I would splurge on by any means.
No?
No.
Well, it retailed for, I think, $170. It's either $160 or $170 a couple years ago.
Yeah. I mean, that and no more, What did you pay? I know it's the wrong size, but what did you pay?
Yeah, so I ended up paying $140 on StockX, which is, they were normally selling for about $200. So I got a really good deal on it. I set a really low price on it. That's why I was so excited, because I got a fantastic shoe, I thought. My size is trading in the like 225 range, so probably with the fees that you would have from StockX, it would probably come out to like 240-ish. I'm hoping I can take it into a local sneaker shop and maybe swap. If I get lucky, they'll have one. As you can see, I got this one from StockX. I mean, I get most of my sneakers from StockX or retail. I got them today, actually, on a new sneaker that we'll be doing a review on in the future.
Of course.
Great sneaker. But for me, this is iconic. I mean, I know at the end of the year they're coming out with another black toe. I think that Jordan, there's the first picture of him with these is in 1985. So you're talking almost 40 years old. Really, really wild, right?
Yeah.
And then this color blocking and this colorway has been around for a long time. So it's just iconic, red. How can you go wrong, right?
That's what I'm saying. I see a lot of shoes that are this, and this is just a new take on an old colorway.
New take on an old colorway, right? Well, I love the, so I'm going to close it up to the camera right here. You can really see that this is an interesting sort of satin material.
Yeah, it's not like the normal satins,
Yeah.
It's a little different. It's a little more textured, I feel, than just like a silky satin.
Yeah, this is almost like a patterned satin.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's a little bit more, I think, unique. Of course, it's got the sort of standard Jordan 1 This is actually a little bit nicer. I think the material on the inside looks to be like a little satiny.
Yeah.
So a little bit more high end. I'm fortunate because I wear usually between a size 9.5 and a 10. So I'm able to get sneakers when they release women's only, women's exclusive. And this one didn't have extended sizing, so I got pretty fortunate. Of course, on the outsole, it's just your normal standard waffle pattern Jordan 1s. Great for playing hoops. And yeah, exactly, great for playing hoops. So what do you think of this shoe in terms of females? Are females going to like it? Are males going to like it? Who do you think? What do you think? First of all, there are multiple colorways. So there's like plain leather that a guy could wear. Mm-hmm. There's also this style. What do you think if, first of all, as a female, what do you think about this sneaker?
I love it. I think I would like it for myself, for you, for anyone. I think it's a very unisex shoe.
Yeah. I got really unfortunate, or unfortunate for you, if this was I ordered size 8 female. I don't know how I ordered size 8 female, 6.5 male, and I got this shoe. But you know, I would have just given it to you if it would have been a female size 6. But just I had no clue. I must have had a mental brain lapse when I was ordering it, and then like I said, when I got the notice from StockX that I got it, I was so pumped. And then all of a sudden I see size 6.5 male. What?
That sucks, but it's a great shoe. What are you rating it?
Okay, so for me, rating it on I'd give this thing a solid 8.5 to me.
Yeah, I was actually gonna go 9.
Yeah.
So I think it's like an all-in-all great shoe. Like there's nothing like crazy about it, but it's just simple, to the point, and it's well done. I like it.
What do you think? So but you would only be willing to pay about retail for it, correct?
Yeah, I mean, I think 160 is, and I don't know what the retail is, but 160 is probably where I would kind of cap off. And even then, there's probably some other things that I would want more for that, price point than these. Right. I think these are, I understand why they're that price.
It's an OG colorway.
Do I agree with the price? No.
You don't well, these are...
I understand the materials, the colorway, blah, 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 blah.
But it's not even trading above, right now it's about it's a little bit above.
But I mean, the retail should have maybe been like 130, 140, in my opinion.
But these OGs, not mids. OGs are always 160, 170, so you're not, no, now they're 180. So you're never gonna get anything less than 180 now. We forget, by the way, I know people in the sneaker game, myself included, as a guy who's pretty passionate about collecting, we've had 20-something% inflation in the last 2 years. I mean, we just went through the whole pandemic, so prices are up. So of course, it's amazing that it's not even more expensive. If they were 170, 180 pre-pandemic, another 25%. I know at the grocery store, things are costing 50, 60% higher. So thank God these prices aren't 50, 60% higher.
They wouldn't be selling
that's
these
true.
sneakers. Okay?
There's only so much people are willing to spend.
That's ridiculous.
Yeah.
I like it. I think it's cute.
I'm going to give a sort of 360 angle on the shoes. Oh, by the way, they come with the standard. They come with the old school sort of shoe tree, cardboard shoe tree. And as you can see from every side, there's the back side. Overall, I think this is a solid shoe. I think everyone should have either something like this.
Yeah, something in this colorway, get it, whether it's these or one of the 500 other pairs that they've created.
Yeah. One
is enough.
Chicago Lost and Found. I have, by the way, because I grew up watching Jordan back in the day, I probably have 3 or 4 in this colorway, so yeah, pretty wild, huh?
3 or 4?
3 or 4? Well, maybe more than that. I think we're going to be reviewing a pair right after this, which is similar.
Yeah.
So, all right. So I will give it a thumbs up. You give it a thumbs up. I'm 8.5, 9. I'm cool with that. You're about a 9 also.
Yeah, I'll give us all a 9.
And I would say absolutely this is worth what they're selling for right now at StockX. If you can get them in the sort of retail-ish, retail plus, you know, $10, $20, $30. They're worth it, especially because these things were trading about 2 years ago in the $400 to $500 range. So this is a steal now. It's a great time to be a sneakerhead because prices are at an all-time low. Anything else? Any parting shots?
No, pretty simple for these.
All right, check out StockX or some of the other resellers, and we will catch you at the next episode.